What does it really take to get that AI engineering job? Here's a spoiler alert. There's no secret formula here. What you need is a strong targeted skill set that aligns with what employers are actually looking for. And the good news is that I've crunched the numbers for you, analyzing 150 job postings, so you don't have to play the guessing game anymore. Today I'm breaking down the top 9 skills employers are actively looking for in AI engineers. And I'll also share the resources to learn each one. So let's get started with React, one of the most popular JavaScript libraries out there. Backed by Facebook, it's used to build smooth, dynamic user interfaces. AI engineers often need to create user-friendly front ends for AI models, like an AI-powered web app. React makes that process fast and efficient. If you're not working on AI applications, it's also great for connecting with backend API, making your AI applications accessible and easy to navigate. If you want to pick up React, I recommend their official tutorial, and the link will be in the description. Next up is NLP, which is all about teaching computers to understand and interact with human languages. It powers tasks like sentiment analysis, language translation, and even chatbots. So basically, anytime machines need to interpret text or speech. If you want to learn more about NLP, the Introduction to NLP in Python with DataCamp is a great course. Next up, tied for 6th spot are PyTorch and TensorFlow. AI engineers can use PyTorch and TensorFlow for building, training, and deploying machine learning and deep learning models. PyTorch is known for its flexibility and ease of use. You can modify the models on the fly, making it great for research and experimentation, where AI engineers may need to tweak models and test ideas quickly. TensorFlow is designed with scalability in mind, making it better suited for deploying large-scale AI models in production environments. It's widely used in industry for real-world applications. If you're looking to dive deeper into PyTorch, check out the AI Engineer for Data Scientist track by DataCamp, today's sponsor. This program offers a comprehensive foundation in AI through their deep learning with PyTorch courses, both introductory and intermediate courses, along with over 50 hours of high-quality learning material, all through engaging videos and interactive exercises. I really appreciate the combination of the short, focused videos paired with hands-on exercises, which is such an effective way to learn by doing. Plus, the high production quality of the videos is a standout. The clean, minimalistic aesthetics makes everything clear and easy to follow. It's so much more enjoyable to learn when the visuals are crisp and polished. DataCamp goes beyond just hands-on coding. Their tracks like AI Engineer for developers include courses like Software Engineering Principles in Python, and these focus on crucial skills like modularity, documentation, and maintainability. These are concepts often covered in university programs, but missing from many short-term courses. By the end of the course, you'll be ready to tackle the DataCamp AI certification, which includes a timed exam and a project to complete within 30 days. It's a great way to showcase your skills and stand out to employers. Now let's go back to our list. AI engineers often need strong data management skills because data is the foundation for all AI and machine learning models. Data management shows up in over 50% of job posting. Organizing, storing, and prepping data is really key for any project. Data management is more than just SQL. Other important skills include data pipelines, data quality, data processing, and you can learn more with the Responsible AI Data Management course by DataCamp. Next is Generative AI. This refers to AI models that create new content based on existing data. So think images, text, and even music. It uses deep learning and neural networks to mimic human creativity. Some popular examples include OpenAI's ChatGPT for text and DALL-E for images. You can check out Gen AI for Everyone on Coursera to learn more. Next up is large language models, or LLMs, which fall under the umbrella of Gen AI, but are specialized for text. So think of GPT models that excel at things like text generation, translation, and even having conversations. LLMs are pretty much everywhere right now, so getting familiar with them is a huge plus. The recommended course is Introduction to LLM in Python with DataCamp. Coming at number 2 is machine learning, which could mean a wide variety of things. It could include machine learning infrastructure, which is the systems needed to build and deploy models, or machine learning algorithms, the techniques for analyzing data, including supervised and unsupervised learning, or ML ops, which is like DevOps, but for machine learning. So it's all about automating and maintaining your models after deployment. Machine learning specialization on Coursera covers all of the essentials. And this is probably no surprise that Python is the #1 skill, showing up in 78% of job postings. There are a few reasons why it's so popular, and #1 is simplicity. Python's syntax is easy to learn and understand, even for beginners. #2 is the ecosystem. It offers tons of libraries and frameworks, making it the go-to language for AI and machine learning. #3 is flexibility. Whether you're building simple models or diving into deep learning, Python can handle it all. If you need to brush up on Python, DataCamp also offers Introduction to Python course, and again, the links are all in the description. Now, mastering these skills is a great start, but there's one more critical skill you're still missing, probably the most important one for landing a job. If you're curious what it is, check out this video, and I'll see you there.